This video is about the top 10 ways to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you earn money in a variety of ways. From freelance writing to data analysis, the possibilities are endless. Here are 10 ways you can use ChatGPT to earn money. Freelance writing. ChatGPT can be used for freelance writing by generating high-quality content for clients. You can offer your services as a ghostwriter, copywriter or blog post writer. With ChatGPT, you can generate SEO-optimized content that is sure to rank well on search engines. Social media management. As a ChatGPT user, you can help businesses manage their social media accounts. You can generate social media posts and even come up with new ideas for marketing campaigns. Customer support. With ChatGPT, you can provide customer support for businesses by answering their customers' questions. This is a great way to earn money while helping others. Data entry. ChatGPT can be used for data entry by generating data and inputting it into a system. This is a great way to earn money while working from home. Transcription. You can also use ChatGPT for transcription by generating written transcripts of audio or video content. This is a great option for those who have excellent typing skills. Translation. ChatGPT can also be used for translation by generating accurate translations of text. This is a great option for those who are bilingual or multilingual. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can use ChatGPT to complete various tasks for businesses or individuals. This can include scheduling appointments, managing emails, and even managing social media accounts. Research. You can also use ChatGPT for research by generating data and insights for businesses. This is a great option for those who have excellent research skills. Editing and proofreading. ChatGPT can be used for editing and proofreading by generating high-quality content that is free of errors. This is a great option for those who have excellent writing skills. Online tutoring. With ChatGPT, you can offer online tutoring services for various subjects. You can use the model to generate lesson plans and even come up with new teaching methods. So there you have it, 10 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to work from home, earn extra income, or start a new career, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Good luck!